All right, guys, welcome back. I'm Chef Bravo for Bravo Unlimited, and today I got a treat for you. Mediterranean octopus. We're gonna braise it for about 2.5 hours. Okay, we're gonna start off. There's our beautiful octopus, about 2 3/4 pounds. We have our salted water coming to a boil. Then we're gonna go ahead, after we pull it out of here, after just gently putting in that boiling water for about 1 minute, okay? Basically lightly poached. We're gonna go ahead. So here for our aromatics, we have a bed of romaine lettuce, fresh basil from the garden, green onion, bay leaf, garlic cloves, red onion, rosemary. All this is gonna come together. All those natural flavors are just gonna serve to enhance all this. We even have cilantro in there. This is not a specific mix. Anything you have that's fresh and seasoned aromatics in the house, you can use. I laid down the bed of romaine because it gives it a little bit of a layer in this large brazier off the base. And that's basically, the romaine doesn't have a ton of flavor in it, so it's not gonna significantly change. What's gonna change the flavor and enhance your flavor are the aromatics that you use. Just a rough chop, throw it in there. I've made some compound butter for later. Also gonna do some beautiful steaks with this. A nice bone-in ribeye and a New York strip to show you guys the difference. I have a beautiful Kerrygold compound lemon butter with garlic chilling right now. And just like that, here we go. Dip that right in there and see how those curl up. And gently just poach that just a little bit. Dump that in, okay, and curl up, okay. Just nice and light, about 3 times, okay. Nice and easy, and we just let her go. Right in here, okay. Just make sure you grab a hold of that octopus good, okay. Just like that, beautiful. Come right over here to our bed aromatics, okay. And lay that right down, okay. Just get a nice even spread. Lay everything out just like that, okay. Yes, just like that. Is that gorgeous or what? This is just the beginning, guys. Go ahead and cover it up. Put this in our Le Creuset brazier. If you guys are interested in some great products, I've been demoing and testing some of the Le Creuset cookware. This is the Le Creuset brazier. I'm not affiliated with the company, but so far, just enhancing the kitchen, I can tell you that this is some of the best quality cookware that's out there. I love it. They're cast iron enameled skillets as well. They're non-stick cookware. All of it seems to be awesome. I really love this stuff. You guys should check it out. Just like that, I'm gonna open this up. Okay. Straight in, and just like that. Like I said, our beautiful octopus is gonna be in there at 300 degrees when you set us a timer. 2.5 hours, you saw it right there. I'll see you guys in 2.5 hours. We're gonna pop this lid off and see what we got. Guys, we are back, and the next beautiful thing that we're gonna cook for you is a prime New York strip steak. Look at that cut, beautiful. Just picked it up at the butcher's. And go ahead and season this thing up. Check me out. For Jim. A little pilar rum, okay? Put a little on the outside so we can get all that in the end, encrusted around the edges. Okay, go on ahead and get that flip. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Just going ahead and do this. Just like that. Yes. Just like that. Oh yes. Oh yes. So now everything is coated on all ends, evenly coated. And the reason why we do that is, you guys may know the secret. That's the LOVE, baby. Spells love. Put that love into it, evenly coat the whole thing, so every bite is equally delicious. When you have this nice prime steak, I mean, just feeling it. If you can see my hands, I don't know if you can see that, but there's that nice fat content to this. It's beautiful, beautiful all the way through. If you look at that cut, it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. Prime meat, you don't need to do a whole lot. So I like New York steak seasoning. I like to make things like that with all those stuff and things in there. But just when you have a nice prime cut, beautiful cut of meat, good quality sea salt. I recommend the Mediterranean sea salt or the Himalayan, but I'm going with the Mediterranean tonight. Fresh cracked black pepper. We're gonna do a little bit of garlic powder because we love garlic around here, and that's it. We're gonna fire up this grill in a little bit. Okay, this is just coming down to about room temperature. We're gonna go ahead, fire up that grill. We'll see you guys in a minute. All right, on the menu tonight, get that beautiful prime New York strip, all seasoned up, ready to go. The drink menu, the Belvini, 14 years, extra matured in rum cask. Oh yeah. And the Papa's Pilar by Ernest Hemingway. We're about to put this bad boy on the grill, get this thing popping. Guys, welcome back. We got this beautiful grill heated up, okay? About 450 degrees, just over. We got the beautiful Journey Jones. That's right, baby. The killer dog, mostly killer sweet. All right, here we go. Beautiful prime New York strip. When I was seasoning this thing up, it felt like butter. Butter. There it is. Right on there. Nice hot spot. The other side of the grill, so when it comes off, that bad boy and let the magic happen. Okay. Slightly reduce this down. I'm going to start with a super hot grill to sear those outside. Okay. The magic is happening right now. There it is. Okay. Be right back. Right. See here? Yes. Yes. Absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. Yes. All right. Reduce that heat a little bit. Everything is super hot with those beautiful grill marks. Go ahead and shut this down. Come back. We'll be ready to go. All right, and here we go. Just like that. Beautiful. Pull that bad boy off. We're going to fire this grill up a little bit hotter. Burn off everything. We're gonna just let this bad boy rest for just a few minutes so we don't cut right into it. If you cut right into it, as soon as you pull it off, all those juices, all your hard work are just gonna go all over the place. We're just gonna give it a couple minutes to rest. We'll be right back. Guys, welcome back. We have our beautiful prime New York strips, been resting now for about 3-4 minutes. Okay, let's take a sip of our Pilar. All right, you guys, let's go on ahead and slice this bad boy up. Yes. Okay. And we're gonna go ahead and do this for the Salt Bae. All right, let's go on ahead and do it. Yes. And the beautiful compound butter here. Okay. Let's go on ahead and put a little bit of this here. Beautiful garlic, lemon compound butter. Yes, absolutely, absolutely. Okay, just like that. And show you guys the finishing touches. Just pull this bad boy out right here. Beautiful. Beautiful. This bad boy up. This in the oven briefly. Melt down that compound butter. We'll be right back. All right, you guys. Let's see what we have here. It's our beautiful New York strip, medium rare. Let's check on our beautiful octopus. All right, and let's see what we have. Yes, yes, beautiful, beautiful. It's been in there for about 2 hours. You're probably gonna give it just a little bit more time, finish off everything, but everything is looking beautiful and delicious. Let's see here. Give this a bit of a test. Let's see here. See that? Just right through, right through. Beautiful. Melt in your mouth, buttery, Mediterranean octopus. I thought it would take 2.5 hours. That's right at about 2 hours, guys. 2 hours, it's done. Beautiful. Turn that off. There we have it, the beautiful Mediterranean style octopus. I'm gonna take some of this later. I'm gonna put it on skewers and grill it. For right now, dinner is served. We have for you beautiful prime New York strip with garlic, lemon, compound butter, seasoned with Mediterranean sea salt, fresh cracked black pepper, and a little bit of garlic. Here we have the beautiful Mediterranean octopus braised for 2 hours over aromatics, fresh basil, cilantro, bay leaf, garlic, fresh onion, a bed of romaine lettuce. Everything has come together beautifully. I'm super pumped to try it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you found value in this, please subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see any other recipes in the future. These are some of the favorite things I have to eat. I wanted to pair them together, do a video on it. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, enjoying life out there. Respect and love.